Take a foam roll and place it right under your knee. You can also take some plastic jar or a towel roll roughly 4 to 6 inches in diameter. Now press the roll hard with your knee down towards the floor. Keep breathing normally. Press again, take 3 breaths and relax. Keep your foot neutral and relaxed. Now place the same roll under your leg right before your ankle. Keep your knee slightly bent and press the roll down with your leg and continue breathing. Press again. Take 3 breaths and then release. Keep your foot neutral.